Hi viewers, this is Anshul Puri on Spotify with Taza Talks. Today we are welcoming our esteemed guest. सबसे पहले मैं आपको उनके बारे में बताऊं. She's a life coach, but कॉन्फिडेंस के जरिए कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड हो या जॉब्स हो या अपनी नेचुरल लाइफ हो या कॉमन पीपल हो, आपको अपने कॉन्फिडेंस के जरिए कैसे अपनी लाइफ को, अपने पाथ को, अपने डायरेक्शंस को चूज करना है, वो आपको उस रास्ते पे लेके जाती हैं, आपको सिखाती हैं. का नाम है रितिका सिंह, जो हमारे ताजा टॉक्स के प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ चुकी हैं. तो प्लीज वेलकम रितिका जी.
Hi,
नमस्कार.
Achal. Namaskar. Thank you so much for such a wonderful introduction.
कोई
And
बात
I'm
नहीं.
s- I'm so glad to be here, part of your show.
तो रितिका जी, मैं जितना बता सकती थी मैंने उतना ही बताया, बिकॉज बाकी मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन हमारे व्यूअर्स को खुद दीजिए. तो लेट्स
Zarur.
स्टार्ट.
Yeah, okay. So, hi all. I am Ritika Singh. I am working in corporate for more than 17 years now. Handled multiple roles and responsibilities. And from past 8 months, I have also started my journey as a life coach, where I help people in corporate world to build their confidence. And I'm on a mission to bring empathy in the corporate world.
वंडरफुल. तो मैम, रितिका जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपसे पूछूंगी कि आपको लाइफ कोचिंग फील्ड में आने का इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिला.
Okay. I'll tell you a story. So, 2 साल पहले की बात है. I was going through a very, very tough situation at my workplace where people were just trying to blame me and they were giving too much of stress. Okay. And I was literally at the bottom of those days in my life. Okay. And then one of my best friend, he told me that I believe in you. You just keep doing what you are doing. And Achal, those 4 words, I believe in you, it actually worked like a magic. Okay. It gave me so much of strength to take stand for myself. And it took me over 6 months to get that process changed, which I was trying to. Finally, after 6 months, my management gave up and they told that, okay, you are too confident, people can't bring you down, so go ahead. So that moment hit me very hard, okay, that one person who was standing by my side made me realize that empathy is so much important, especially in corporate world. Like every day people are feeling so much stressed out just because no one is actually trying to understand what they are going through. People are just focused about the targets and the deadlines. So I want to bring a platform for all those thousands and millions of people in corporate who are going through such situation where they actually feel very helpless and lonely, where there is no one to hear them or see them. So people who join my workshop or who go on a longer journey with my courses, I guide them with proper tools and techniques, how to, build your self-confidence, how you will not be getting impacted with what other people tell you. You can balance your work and your personal life. You can keep them separate. And most importantly, you will be able to keep all your stress aside and have a very peaceful sleep every night.
रितिका जी, आज के टाइम में अगर हम बात करें तो लोग सबसे ज्यादा मेंटल इमोशनल चैलेंज से स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी? कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करने के लिए रियल फॉर्मूला क्या है अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
Um, See, most challenge what you are talking about, the emotional or mental, is because people do not sit with their thoughts. Okay. What is happening currently is they just see that, okay, I have 10 things or 20 things to do every day. They will be just spiraling in their head that itna hai karne ko. But they are actually not taking time to do that work. They are actually not taking action towards it. तो होता क्या है कि हम बार बार खुद को बोलते हैं कि मेरे पास इतना काम पड़ा हुआ है. I go on a tea break. I'll gossip with some of my colleagues. Okay. Then again, I'll scroll down with my emails. Again, I'll go out with a friend. I'll vent out. मेरी मैनेजमेंट मुझे नहीं समझती है, मेरे पास सही टीम मेंबर्स नहीं है, काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो पीपल आर नॉट प्रोडक्टिव इनफ. They are getting stressed out because they are not taking action. So they have to learn how to prioritize the things, how to organize their entire day. Because see, everyone has got 24 hours in a day. उसमें से आपके ऑलमोस्ट 12 घंटे चले जाते हैं इन योर वर्क एंड द कम्यूट दैट यू डू फॉर योर ऑफिस, राइट? गोइंग टू ऑफिस एंड कमिंग बैक. सो आपका आधा दिन ऐसे लोगों के साथ गुजर रहा है जो आपके ऑफिस में है. So you have to be very conscious about with whom you are surrounding yourself. Because there is a saying, right? Like you will become with top 5 people you spend most of your time with. So if you are spending your time doing just gossiping or going on multiple tea breaks and venting out, you are not doing productive things. And that's where your brain knows that, you have a plenty of things to do, but it doesn't understand which one has to be acted upon.
Mhm.
It's just confused and it's getting spiraling, And also one biggest thing nowadays is people tend to show that their life is perfect. So they are showing on social media that my life is superb, everything is fantastic, I have lots of money, I'm going on vacation, blah, blah, blah. And they are suppressing their emotions. To be honest, nobody's life can be perfect. Everyone is going through some or the other struggle in their life. So we have to actually sit with us, take some time and understand what is I am feeling right now. And then, start to take small action towards it. So most important thing is to really understand that, am I happy from inside? Am I feeling joy and happiness in my life? So those things are not being taken care. That's where people are getting stressed out.
Absolutely right. Because जब stressed out होते हैं तो फिर excuses ही निकलते हैं और कुछ नहीं.
That's what I mean. People will just try to be a victim.
ये नहीं हुआ तो वो
Blaming
हो
या
गया, वो नहीं था
complaining
तो
mode में
ऐसे
ही
था,
जाएंगे.
right?
Correct.
रितिका जी, आपके हिसाब से सक्सेस ज्यादा माइंडसेट ड्रिवन है या स्किल्स ड्रिवन है?
I would say it's a combination of both. If you have a very good skill set, but if your mindset is not right, then you will start working from ego, right? And if you are having a good mindset, but you are not competent enough, then still you will be struggling. You will not be able to do what you're supposed to do. So it has to go hand in hand together. And if someone is lacking competence and if they are good at their mindset, then we have to see how can we help them and enable some kind of a training to build their competency. And if someone is good at skill set, but they are not good with their mindset, like many people have a fixed mindset. इतने दिनों से ऐसा होता आ रहा है, मैं तो ऐसे ही काम करूंगा. Then you cannot succeed in your life, right? बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि मुझे इतना मिल रहा है तो इस हिसाब से मैं इतना ही करूंगा. So people have to come out of that mindset. If you are getting paid 200, you have to do for 400. If you are getting paid for 400, do for 800. Then you will be more successful. If you are keeping yourself very limited, that this is how things were happening, then you cannot succeed. Life is changing every moment, right? So we have to think as a person, how can I grow, building my skill set and also developing my mindset. So I suggest people for a 30-60-90 rule. Okay, what it means is every day learn on your competency either 30 or 60 minutes for 90 days. So learning is a very important factor, irrespective of whichever role you are in. Like I'm into a management role, but still, every day I make sure I spend 30 to 60 minutes of my time in learning. So that helps us, change our mindset and understand people's perspective as well.
हम्म,
So yeah, it's a combination of both.
राइट। कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड की बात करते हैं अगर हम, तो वहां पे इतना एम्पैथी लाना क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है?
बहुत जरूरी है आंचल, बिकॉज कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में पीपल आर एक्चुअली फोकस्ड अबाउट देयर डेडलाइंस, देयर टारगेट्स। कोई ये जानने की कोशिश नहीं करता है कि हाउ आर यू फीलिंग। Like there are 40 people who reports to me, okay, and I make sure कि मैं उनके साथ बैठ के बात करूं और जानने की कोशिश करूं कि how are things going in their personal life. Like there is one of my team member, if I give you an example, 2 महीने पहले उसका बेबी हुआ, ओके, सो ही इज नॉट हैविंग प्रॉपर स्लीप और उसका वर्कलोड बहुत ज्यादा है। तो अगर मैं उसको सिर्फ ये बोलती रहूं कि यू आर नॉट डूइंग योर बेस्ट, तुम्हारे इतने सारे काम पेंडिंग हैं, देन ही विल रियली बी स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, राइट? नाउ व्हाट आई डू इज टाइम टू टाइम आई कनेक्ट विथ हिम, आई टेल हिम दैट it is expected that for 2 to 3 years you will not have proper sleep, you know, baby will cry for no reason, you will have to cope up with such situations.
राइट।
And then I help him understand that whatever you can do at your work, you're doing your best. So be proud of yourself. So in corporate, currently what we are missing is people are not getting heard or seen. They are just getting pressure. And when you are getting pressurized, you will not feel happy from inside. That's where you will also not be able to talk to your spouse or family members in a right way, right? अगर आप ऑफिस में अपना गुस्सा नहीं निकाल पा रहे हो, आप घर पे आकर निकालोगे तो घर वाले भी आपको नहीं समझ रहे हैं, ऑफिस में भी कोई आपको नहीं समझ रहा है। सो आई थिंक सिंस half of our day is going at office workplace, we should build a community where people should feel safe. If they are going to office, they should be happy that I'm going to a workplace where, I have people who listen to me, who understand me. So it should be kind of your second home, not a place where you're just getting stressed out and दिमाग में बस ये चलता रहे कि हाँ जॉब करना है because I need money. That shouldn't be the case.
बिल्कुल, बिकॉज़ वो कहते हैं ना कि एक टाइम में कहा करते थे कि कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड इज़ हार्टलेस वर्ल्ड।
Actually, yes.
हाँ, बिकॉज़ वहाँ पे तो आप सेंटिमेंट्स, इमोशंस दिखा ही नहीं सकते। आपको
No,
फायर कर दिया जाता है।
right.
यस, देख चुकी हूँ। अब जब एक टाइम पे मैं करती थी तो आई वाज़ लाइक मॉर्निंग 10 से लेकर के शाम को 7-8 बजे तक, 9 भी बज जाते थे, 10 भी बज जाते थे। तो लेकिन कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था उन लोगों को। हार्डली
Hmm,
मेक्स अ डिफरेंस।
correct. And you are anytime replaceable at your job.
एग्ज़ैक्टली। तो आपकी अगर हम बात करते हैं सेल्फ डाउट और ओवरथिंकिंग को कंट्रोल करने के लिए प्रैक्टिकल स्टेप्स क्या हो सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
Okay. I'll give the formula that I use and apply on myself every day. Okay. So every day before I sleep, it's a mandate that I'll journal things. Okay. One thing is I maintain a diary that is for gratitude. So I'll write all the things that I was grateful for today. Then there is one more diary where I write down the reflections of today. Okay. What was the best moment? What was that one thing I am proud of today? And then certain lines about reflection, like if something did not go as per your expectation, what was it trying to teach you? Now, instead of asking the questions that why this happens to me, we have to change that question that what is this situation trying to teach me? So journaling is the best practice, I would say. और जो भी दिमाग में ये जो कचरा भरा होता है ना, जो भी थॉट्स आते हैं, वी हैव टू जस्ट डंप इट डाउन ऑन द पेपर. यू जस्ट डू नॉट कीप इट इन योर हेड. लाइक when you are something is not wrong in your body, you will vomit it out, right? Similarly, जब आपके माइंड में बहुत कुछ चल रहा है ना, you have to literally vomit it out on your paper.
हम्म।
So write it down. These are the nerves are connected from your brain to your hand, right? So it's very useful if you write down with a pen on a piece of paper. Typing
Right.
won't help that much, so writing down is a best practice.
रितिका जी, आप अपने क्लाइंट्स का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन को कैसे मेजर करती हैं?
Okay, very good question.
थैंक यू।
So मेरे जो भी क्लाइंट्स हैं, आई मेक श्योर दे आर so self assured from within that they will not look for any validation from outside. अभी लोग खुद को क्यों डाउट करते हैं? क्योंकि उनको अगर बाहर से अप्रिशिएशन नहीं मिला, दे फील सैड, यार मैंने इतना वर्क किया बट किसी ने अप्रिशिएट नहीं किया,
हम्म।
राइट? दैट इज अ आउटसाइड वैलिडेशन. अगर मुझे पता है कि मुझे ये करना था एंड आई हैव गिवन माई बेस्ट, I will pat on my back. I'll go in front of the mirror. I'll say, I love you. You have done a fabulous job. So मेरे सारे क्लाइंट्स को मैं यही फंडा सिखाती हूँ. एवरी डे, जितनी बारी पॉसिबल हो, स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर, appreciate yourself because nobody else is going to do that. Be your best cheerleader. तो मेरे जो भी क्लाइंट्स हैं, they are like out of this validation thing. They will have a very peaceful life. And since I suggest each one of them to practice gratitude, they will think more towards the positive things that are happening in their life. So they will be completely out of this complaining mode.
Because you are a wonderful coach over there.
Thank you.
तो अगर हम फास्ट पेस्ड वर्ल्ड की बात करते हैं,
Mhm.
वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस मेंटेन करने का बेस्ट वे क्या है?
Okay. See, हमारे लाइफ में there are multiple balls that we are juggling with. We have a spouse, we have kids, we have job, we have our parents to look after. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. So we always keep juggling around these balls.